So next we'll talk about the how transformer works, structure of transformer. Whatever they'll ask you about transformer. Here we have connect the primary winding, primary voltage here 1. The number of turns is denoted by N1, the number of turns by N2, and here we have connected load. So the voltage induced at the primary side, that is denoted by E1, voltage in the second side, that by, and in this current I1 is generated, and in this current I2 is generated, and basically flux is the material, and that flux is denoted by the term phi. Correct? Hmm? Now in the next case, see how on which principle transformer works. Basically, the transformer works on the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Okay, Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction just gave you one thing, is equal to d phi by dt, due to which you are sitting in a AC. Okay, due to Faraday only, because of Faraday only you are sitting in the light. So what he says that if there is change in flux with respect to time, then only in that case EMF will induce. If there is no change in the flux, then in that case EMF will not induce. Okay, so condition according to him is that to get the EMF we have to change the flux, right? And next thing what he told us that flux always depends on the current. So whenever the current is changing in the AC cycle, then accordingly flux will also change with respect to time, right? So that's why we have given the supply is AC. Now suppose if we have given DC supply, okay, then flux produced also would be like this. So in this case flux is changing, yes or no? No, in this flux is not changing. And if flux is not changing, then in that case EMF will induce, yes or no? If is not changing, then in that case EMF will induce. What is the condition I told you? If there is a change in flux with respect to time, then only in that case EMF will induce. So if there is no change in flux, then EMF will not induce. Okay. Ab instead of AC supply, if we'll supply, okay, instead of AC supply, if we'll supply, then flux will also produce as a constant, and if flux is constant, then in that case EMF will not induce. That's why we always say that transformer never works on DC, it always works on AC. Clear? Okay. Now